If you're planning to renovate your laundry room, or if you haven't upgraded your washing machine and dryer for a long time, it might be time for a complete overhaul. In this case, buying a washer and dryer set is recommended. Not only do sets tend to look more cohesive in a space, but they also have corresponding cycles that work best when used sequentially. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best washer and dryers and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So let's get started. Number 5. LG Wash Tower Laundry Center. The LG Wash Tower Laundry Center is a preferred option for those living in apartments and condos. Unlike stackable washer and dryer sets, a laundry center is a single appliance that combines a vertically stacked washer and dryer unit into one. LG's WKX200HWA Wash Tower is a revolutionary product that stands out from the rest. This sleek-looking tower features a front-loading washer and dryer, which is a departure from the typical top-loading washer seen in laundry centers. The load capacity is impressive too, with the washer boasting 4.5 cubic feet of drum space, which is comparable to many standalone washing machines. The dryer is just as impressive with 7.4 cubic feet of room. Both appliances offer plenty of cycles and options to choose from, but you can also rely on the AI fabric sensors to do the work for you. This technology automatically detects the texture and load size to select the correct cycle. One of the more unique features of the LG Wash Tower is the central control panel. While some laundry centers or stackable washer and dryer sets have hard-to-reach controls for the dryer, LG put the panel for both the washer and dryer in the center of the tower, about the height of an average countertop. This means that options are easy to see and controls are simple to use. Number 4. Electrolux Smart Boost Washer and Dryer. Electrolux Smart Boost Washer and Dryer. After testing various washer and dryer sets, we found that the Electrolux Smart Boost Washer and stackable electric dryer were the best. The intuitive settings and display panel that show information like temperature, soil level, and spin speed at a glance impressed us the most. We were also pleased to see that the washer had an oversuds protection feature, although we didn't need to use it as there was no laundry detergent residue after a wash. The dryer's auto-sensing feature was also impressive in terms of dry time, as it detected wet clothes and linens to set the appropriate dry time. We only had to run the dryer for a longer time on occasion, usually for heavy towels and piles of cloth diapers. Speaking of which, we were impressed by how clean and fresh our cloth diapers looked after being washed. There is also a 15-minute fast wash for those unfortunate spit-up moments. Although we like the gray color of our new set, we noticed scratches on the tops of the machines where we've been placing our laundry basket. It's worth noting that there's no app or push-button display on this machine, but the dial itself has a digital screen, and the knobs are easy to turn to adjust the settings. We appreciated that you could toggle the settings to find the most eco-friendly options for each load. These machines aren't exactly quiet if you're standing nearby, but they won't disturb the whole house. The washer and dryer will play a tune when the cycles are done, like a beeping microwave, and they'll keep going until you open the door. If you don't like the chime setting, there's an option to turn it off. Number 3. GE Ultra Fresh Washer and Electric Dryer. The GE Ultra Fresh Vent System Washer and Electric Dryer pair are a stylish addition to any laundry room. The machines come in an elegant sapphire blue color that adds a touch of sophistication to the space. They solve the common problem of musty odors in front-loading washers with their unique venting system. The system automatically dries the door seal and interior of the machine, eliminating the need for manual drying or leaving the door open. It features a separate cycle that intermittently spins the drum while pulling in fresh air to dry and freshen the interior. Although the cycle takes up to 8 hours to complete, it ensures that the washer interior is completely dry. Moreover, the dispenser drawer, door gasket, and other internal components are treated with microban to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria. In our testing, we found both the washer and dryer to work very well and be easy and intuitive to use. The Smart Dispense system holds an entire 50-ounce bottle of liquid laundry detergent, so you can skip measuring with each load as the machine determines the precise amount to add for the cycle you've selected. We especially like the dispenser's wide opening, which makes it easy and neat to fill. The set also includes steam cycles for sanitizing and Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can monitor and adjust cycles via the app. A one-step cycle completely washes and dries a small light load, like a soccer uniform, for example, without having to move it to the dryer. In our testing, this, along with the quick wash cycle that removed a set-in spaghetti sauce stain in just 20 minutes, worked impressively well. The extra-large capacity dryer features fast and gentle cycles, steam for added dewrinkling, and Wi-Fi connectivity. When paired with the washer, it automatically selects the appropriate cycle for the incoming load, making it incredibly easy to use. Additionally, both the washer and dryer can be controlled by voice using Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, providing a convenient hands-free experience. Number 2. The Samsung Extra Large Washer and Dryer Set. A smart front-load washer and dryer with a large capacity. If you often find yourself having to split your laundry into multiple loads or rerun your dryer because you overloaded it, then this washer and dryer set is for you. With a 5 and 7.4 cubic foot capacity, respectively, this Samsung set can handle a lot of laundry at once, all while looking good doing it. The smart washing machine comes with 12 preset cycles and 5 spin speeds and utilizes steam cleaning to remove stains from clothes without the need for pre-treatment. With the super speed option, it can run a full load in as little as 28 minutes. Users have reported that the washer operates quietly on all spin levels thanks to the vibration reduction technology. In addition to its large capacity and 10 preset drying cycles, the Samsung Smart Electric Dryer, also available in a gas version for an additional $100, features sensor drying, so you don't have to worry about it getting the job done. There are also presets like a sanitizing cycle that tackles pollen and a multi-steam cycle that refreshes lightly worn clothing. Lastly, this washer and dryer set is Wi-Fi compatible, so you'll receive phone notifications when a cycle is complete. You'll also have access to Smart Care, which lets you troubleshoot issues from your phone. Number 1. LG WM4000H Wash and LG DLEX 4000 Dryer. If you're in the market for a high-quality washing machine, you might want to consider the LG WM4000H. This top-of-the-line washer is designed to remove all types of stains, while still being gentle on your fabrics. It comes equipped with a variety of wash settings, including a pre-wash option and super hot temperatures, so you can customize each load to your specific needs. One of the standout features of the WM4000H is its energy and water efficiency. This machine is designed to save you money on your utility bills over time, as it uses less water and energy than many other washers on the market. Additionally, the unique door prop feature helps prevent mildew smell, which is a common problem with other washers. If you're a tech-savvy person, you'll appreciate the LG ThinQ app, which allows you to control your washer from your smartphone. With this app, you can remotely start your washer, receive maintenance alerts, and access additional wash programs. This is a great feature for people who are always on the go and want to stay on top of their laundry. If you're looking for a matching dryer, the LG DLEX 4000 is an excellent option. This energy-efficient dryer dries loads faster than most other dryers, which means you can get your laundry done more quickly. However, be aware that the control panels on both the washer and dryer can be difficult to use in dim lighting. Finally, it's worth noting that the WM4000H and its matching dryer are stackable, which is great if you're short on space in your laundry room. Additionally, if you're on a budget, you might want to consider the WM3600H, which is a less expensive version of the WM4000H. Here are the top 5 washer and dryer sets that can revolutionize your laundry experience. Electrolux Smart Boost Front-Load Washer and Dryer. Best for eco-conscious and tech-savvy families. LG Wash Tower Laundry Center. A great space saver with innovative features. GE Ultra Fresh Vent System Washer and Dryer. Perfect for those wanting a fresh, clean, and smart laundry experience. Samsung Extra Large Capacity Smart Front-Load Washer and Dryer. Ideal for large families or heavy-duty washing. LG WM4000H Washer and LG DLEX 4000 Dryer. A top performer in stain removal and fabric care. Remember to consider your specific laundry needs, space constraints, and the features you value most. Links to all these products are available in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and guides.